Alright, welcome back to Toast Chronicles. In our DIY with Penelope section, we are going to make slime.
That's much bigger.
We used clear glue, we made some blue slime.
No,
This time,
that's much bigger than me.
it's much bigger than you. This time Penelope insists we make yellow slime. So
Yeah.
we got our yellow food coloring. We got our Elmer's glue. What kind of glue is it?
Elmer glue.
Elmer's glue.
So we bought
Baking soda.
Yep, baking soda.
Weirdest form.
That's weird. And you make it up first.
And a spoon and a
I'm gonna
glass
mix it up
container.
first. I'm gonna mix it up first.
Saline solution.
Saline.
Here's our ingredients. I'm going to put it in the description section. Also with where I get the ingredients. This time we're going to add some foam beads. And slimy foam. Alright, so let's add some glue.
Yep. Pour it in there, Dada. I'm not going to pour that in there. Add a little bit more. There's still more in there.
Alright, that should be good.
Yeah.
I'm glad I bought this. Stop. It's $9. Obviously, we're going to make a lot of slime with that.
Yep.
It's about a cup and a half, 2 cups of slime, give or take.
Dad, here's my dance.
Your dance is crazy time. You ready?
Yeah. This is
So
going to be my solution.
I told my son to put baking soda in a freezer bag. I meant the whole container, so he just put it in the freezer bag. That's where the baking soda is going to stay for now.
Whoa.
Are you okay?
Yep.
Yeah. How many tablespoons of water do you remember?
Uh-huh.
How many?
6, 7.
6. Just 2, babe. Just 2. Saline solution.
Yep. Got too much in there.
No, it's not. It's fine. Watch out.
Can I do it?
Negative.
You? No. I need to mix it up.
Here, you mix it. Go for it. Penelope mixes that.
I'm making faster than you, Dad.
Hold on.
Oh.
Slow down, kiddo. I almost forgot. Mix it. That's so cool. So despite what the ingredients say, I always end up adding more saline solution. Don't wipe it on the table.
Just like this with my finger. Okay, you make that now. You are making it much gooder than me.
Better.
Better.
It's okay. You get the hang of it.
This one is right there.
You'll get the hang of it, kiddo.
It's not that much sticky anymore.
I feel like I should have added more foam.
Can I touch it?
Of course. Still too sticky?
No.
No?
No.
Can you grab it? Grab it, mix it up.
I can't.
Can't what?
I can't. It's still sticky.
Yikes.
Can I put it in my hands?
Alright. Stick it back in there. Mix it up. And use your fingers.
I don't know how to do that.
Alright, here.
Can her stick it? Can my toy stick it too?
No, we don't want your toy in there, right?
Yeah. It's so
I
pretty.
think it's pretty good. Here. Keep mixing it up.
It's not really
Squeeze it.
sticky.
Squeeze it. Mix it up. Over the bowl. Over the bowl, please. It's a little sticky on your hands. You have to stick your hands back in there, babe. The only way to get it off is to stick it to itself. Well, it's not the only way. It's the best way to get it off and keep it off of my furniture.
Tickle! That's too good.
You put this foam in here because There's plenty. We'll use the rest of that later. So, get it off the table, please. There we have
Now let's make some.
our yellow foam bead slime. Some foam
Now let's
beads.
make some. Another one? Maybe green.
Again, I will put the ingredients in the description box
I
along
want to
with
make a green.
the location of where I
Can
buy
we
the
make
ingredients.
green?
Along with the location of where I buy the ingredients. And I heard you.
Let's make green.
Yeah, we're gonna make every color of the rainbow twice. So we gotta make more slime. Stay tuned for more videos. Remember to subscribe and
Put that back on the slime.
sweet Christ. Remember to subscribe and hit the like button
Don't throw
for more
that.
content.
It's our slime. Don't throw that.
There's more slime. Get those. Get them before they get away. Get all of them.
Gotcha.
There are more.
This one. This one. That one. This one.
That was oddly satisfying.
This one.
I don't know why.
Gotcha.
Get them all. Get them all. Get them all. Get them all.
Gotcha.
We're gonna need a bigger bag.
Yeah, okay.
That should be alright. Set that there for a second. Don't do that. Because we're gonna use this slime. You wanna make green slime with the foam or without the foam? Let's do it with the foam. It's gonna look real gross if we do it with
With
the foam. Yeah? With the foam? Real gross?
Mhm.
Okay. Alright, I guess we're gonna make another one. Oh, this is so full. You know what? Let's just put this off to the side.
I got some.
Get them quick.
I got one. I got some.
Again, like button, subscribe, hit the bell for alerts for more content.
I got you.
We're gonna re-up our supplies and make some. What color are we gonna make next?
Green.
Excellent. What color makes green? Well,
Red.
it would be it would be blue and yellow, but I think we already have green. Yeah, so we don't have to mix those together. Stay frosty.